Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Today I am going to introduce Cam Scanner, because whenever you handwrite an assignment, after this, usually students take pictures. So I think we should not take pictures. It is very difficult for the teacher to mark and read those pictures. So what can you do? You can use Cam Scanner. Here I am going to use Cam Scanner. Here this is Cam Scanner. Okay, click on it. Okay, and after this, here is a button. Click here, and here is your assignment, as you can see. So just click here. Now your picture has been taken. Okay, you can adjust your picture from this place. After this, here is a button, next. Click on next. So you can see one picture has been taken. After this, you can click on the this tick mark. So this picture will be saved. I'm going to save it. After this, you can take second picture. Okay, I'm going to click again on the button here. Click here, and you can put it aside, and you can take another picture. Let me show you. So here is the just a minute. Click on the camera button, and another picture has been taken. Now you can even uh, extend the lines, side lines. You can even crop the area you don't want to be inserted. Okay, as you can see, I'm extending it. After doing adjustment like this, you can click here. Okay, next, it will be cropped. So now your text is there. Once it is taken, click here, save. This is your second PDF page. Okay, after this, you can put this page aside, and let's say here is another page in front of me. So just click here. So picture taken. Now it is already set, so we don't need to further do anything. Otherwise, we can crop it from these corners. We can drag them towards right side like this, but as we don't need to do it right now, it's okay like this. So just click on this one. Next, this is your third page. Okay, now you can see your assignment has been converted into a PDF file. Okay, now as you can see, here is written PDF. Now you can rename it before you send it to your teacher. You can say uh, uh, capitalization. Let's say, let me move it, punctuation, 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 and capitalization, and capitalization, capitalization. So this is the name. Okay, then click on OK. Name will be saved. Now your file has been named. Okay, now you can click on share button from here, share. Okay, so these are the options: share as PDF, share JPG, these are pictures, and share as long image. So you should click on share as PDF. Okay, PDF. Now again, share button is here at the top. You can see here. Just a minute, let me show you. Here is a share button. So click on share. So now these are the options. Okay, Gmail, WhatsApp, etc. So you can, if you want to send it through WhatsApp, you can click on WhatsApp. Otherwise, there are so many other options. Okay, as you can see here. So best option is you should email yourself. Okay, email yourself, and then download it into your computer, and then you can send it to your tutor. You can upload it to your Google Classroom. Okay, and another way is to second, I think we should, yes, here is Google Classroom. As you can see, Google Classroom. So you can send it direct to Google Classroom. Okay, right now I'm going to just email myself, or let me click on Google Classroom. Click here. So as you can see here, it is English 6. Okay, English 6. So make announcement, create assignment, ask question, create material. As it is my mobile phone, I'm using it as instructor or teacher, so you will be having your own mobile phone. So that will be a different interface. Otherwise, the best way is to email yourself. Okay, share and email yourself. Click on Gmail. Okay, just a minute, and here, and then email yourself. Okay, what is the benefit of this? Later on you can download it as a PDF file. Okay, from Rustam, and here you must write your own name, again your address. Okay, your own email, Rustam, like this. Okay, and then send. So now it will be sent to you. So if you later on you can download it, and it will be in your download file, and from there you can attach it to your Google Classroom, or you can directly attach it to your Google Classroom. So I'll recommend that you should be using Cam Scanner, that converts your handwritten assignments into PDF files. Thank you very much.